Hi all, it's Caro here, and
this is Bob.
we thought we're gonna do a little video for you, explaining a little bit about what we've been doing in Costa Rica, and one of those things is a little probiotic drink that we've been making and drinking for quite a while now, no?
Well, over a month.
Over a month, yeah.
Feel better?
Yeah, I feel like I'm addicted. I can't go without it. And the simple idea behind it was we tried a number of kombuchas. We tried shop-bought kombuchas, we tried homemade kombuchas here in Nicoya Peninsula, and
Not very good, were they? The one in the shop, the tin one, was good.
yeah, but that obviously has got a shelf life, travel miles, and yeah, so we decided why won't we look into doing something kind of like a kombucha way, but kombucha but not kombucha. So we came across a thing called Probiotic Soda, which has got a lot of probiotic bacteria inside, and we decided to give it a go. No?
Yeah.
Seemed to be a very simple recipe. So what we did use, we use fresh organic ginger, and we bought like heaps of ginger in a local market. And we also decided to choose just a very simple white sugar. You can use different sugar, but do not use honey. You really want a sugar, because sugar, when fermenting with fresh ginger, what it does, it creates that fuel for the yeast. And it will create a very particular kind of lactobacillus or lactobacillus bacteria, which are really good for your gut, really good for your belly, and that bacteria is not already present in the ginger. So the sugar is just gonna kind of produce that yeast and also create that fizzy, sparkling fizz, yes. So that's like a carbon dioxide how you're producing. So what we did, we started with 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We then added 2 glasses of pure water. So it wasn't warm, it was just a clean, pure water.
Was it from the tap or from the bottle?
It was from the tap, because we have got a filtration system here in Montezuma, in Costa Rica, where we live. So maybe if you're doing that in the UK, and this is a big shout out to our dear friend Kasia, this video is for you in particular, and also to our old friend Taita in Lobitos, Peru, who is still thinking about doing kombucha. Let us know if you started. If no, maybe you want to give the probiotic drink a go first and see whether you like it. So after combining 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 glasses of water, we kept it in a warm place, covered with some breathable top lid. And we started to already see a fizz forming up within like a couple of days. So for 5 days in a straight line, we've been just feeding that mixture with 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of sugar. After 5 days, what we did, we poured a little bit of liquid out of the ginger bag, and we put it in a glass bottle. Don't worry about having to like sterilize and disinfect the bottles, because the fermentation process and creating bacteria inside is gonna be taking care of that anyway. Just wash your bottles, rinse them, let them dry, and put a bit, like 60 mils, 100 mils. I don't use the measures. Bobby is a measurement. I never use the measures, so I use about this amount of, what's that? This amount of
no, sorry, go on.
This amount of water from the ginger bag,
And you strained it, obviously.
Strained it,
through the sieve, yep.
Yes, yes.
You don't want the bits in it. No.
No.
I can see it fizzing here. Look. It's just creating bubbles now. Look at that.
Yeah.
Whoa. Sorry, I'm interrupting your
No,
flow.
no, you're very welcome. Absolutely, yes. Keep it warm. That's very important. Keep it warm. Not hot, but warm.
Yeah. So it's basically like
sourdough starter.
sourdough starter. Yeah, similar.
Kind
sort
of the same principle, just different ingredients. Yes. So after straining, like Bobby said, straining about this amount of liquid from here, I put it in a bottle. We've been recycling these bottles.
So what, up to here, you'd say?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Can't see, but what about
Yeah.
there?
So up till here, and the rest, what we've been doing.
About a quarter, about a third.
Yeah. Yeah.
About
The
a
more.
third. Yeah, sorry, go on.
No worries, honey. That's okay. The more you add, the more fizzy it's gonna be. And then what we've been doing, we've been buying naranjas, so oranges, and we've been picking up limes from the garden, and we've been using a juice from freshly squeezed 3 oranges and about 3 limes, adding it to the juice from here, and closing it and keeping it for at least 24 hours. We try.
Could you use just carton juice, do you think?
You could use, but then think about all the additives that are there.
No, yeah, I mean they're quite pure. If you buy a
Buy a pure one, then definitely yes,
yeah.
for sure. But if it's from the like the cheaper one, you've got a lot of other additives. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you want to buy the sort of you want to buy the chilled, 100% non-concentrated
Pure
juice.
Yes. But if you've got a juicer at home, you can make so many different flavors.
Yes, you can, yeah.
Crazy. We're really missing our juicer and ninja here. But so the more additives the juice has got, the less the fermentation is gonna happen. So think about that.
No ovens. Nightmare. Anyway.
So yes, and then what we've been doing, keeping that beautiful soda, probiotic soda, on the counter next to the stove for like a couple of days, and then we've been spoiling ourselves using a little bit of ice, few ice cubes. Do you like the flavor?
Yeah, I mean sometimes I'll water it down a bit maybe. It can be quite hot, quite strong on it.
Yes, and it also depends because the size of our limes is sometimes like that, and sometimes like that. So there's a huge difference. I think we kind of try and test it, no?
Yeah.
We added more limes first and less oranges, then we added equal amount. And we kind of found our own ratio, so it's really up to you guys as well to find the fruits that you really like drinking. And yeah, once you open this, don't put it in a fridge. Keep it somewhere nice and warm. It's okay. The fermentation is still gonna happen even once you open it. So no worries. That good bacteria, probiotic bacteria, are gonna be still continuing. So you don't have to drink 1 bottle in one day. Okay.
I'll just point out, you're going to need a very good top because of the amount of pressure and bottle. I wouldn't put it in a plastic bottle, or
No.
it's going to have to be in a
Glass
probably glass bottle like that. Yeah, if you can find
Yes.
one.
Yes, and you're gonna see that the tighter you close it, the more gas there's gonna be. Sometimes we close it tighter, sometimes we leave the top a little bit loose. Sometimes the soda explodes when we open it, so I don't know what we are, what surprise we are in for today. We're gonna see.
Do you want to do the honours?
No.
Looks pretty fizzy, doesn't it? Okay. Whoa, here we go. She's a fizzer.
This one has been standing for 2.5 days.
Squirter alert.
Oh, it's gonna be nice and tangy.
Well, you can see it's all mixed itself. Look at that.
That's all the healthy gut bacteria, probiotic bacteria, fermentation. The sugar, the bacteria in the ginger, sugar fuels it all up, creates the yeast. Yeast make it multiply.
Smell
multiply.
It, smell the yeasty. Wow, look at that. That's proper fizz.
And guess what? It's like your own made. Some people say that probiotic drink is even a little bit better than kombucha because it gets deeper into your gut, while the kombucha kind of dies off somewhere down the way. I'm addicted. Oh my god, I've got the goosebumps.
Got mega fizz, isn't it? Obviously just reseal it anymore. Keep the fizz going.
So, cheers to a healthy gut, homemade probiotic drink.
See how that's a good one.
Yeah. I don't know you, but I feel that the longer we leave it in a bottle, the less intense the kind of the fruit notes are, don't you think? They get a little bit more mellow. So maybe if you want it a little bit more tangy, am I right?
Tangy, yeah, very tangy. Some of the early ones we did, but yeah, this is...
Yeah, maybe keep it for a day, for 24
actually.
hours. If you want it less tangy, more bacteria, more fizz, keep it for a little bit longer.
Maybe it's the starters is more mature now as well.
Probably as well, yes, for sure, 100%. Just remember about feeding this. So if you take some juice out from here, add 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and if you take like a glass of water, add a glass of water back, okay? Like a glass of juice from here, add a glass of water back in here. It's very important. And I forgot to feed it one day, so what I did, I fed it a little bit more sugar and a little bit more ginger, and I left it in a direct sunlight, and it saved the bad mixture. So that's a little tip. I hear that people are feeding it with sugar as well only, but that's not gonna create the good bacteria, because the good bacteria are already, those lactobacillus bacteria are present in a ginger naturally.
Excuse me, it's very gassy, but
it's actually a nice feeling when you burp a little bit with that thing. Like, I feel like if we don't have it one day, my gut asks for it. So yeah.
okay.
Cheers to probiotic drink made at home in Costa Rica. Let us know in your comments, guys, how do you do, and whether you've got any questions. We're here to help. Enjoy.